quick question and be honest with yourself. Why was last month good and the month before it bad? If your real answer is I don't know, it's just kind of what happened, that's right there the problem. Most contractors ride waves they can't even explain. Busy, then slow, then busy again, and no idea what's driving anything of it, feast or famine. And it feels random because to you, it is random. That's not a business you run. That's a business that just happens to you and you're along for the ride. But when your lead comes from a source, you can actually see and adjust. The mystery disappears. You know why this month is up. You know which lever to pull to push it higher. You know what to do when it dips instead of just hoping. Guessing is totally fine for the weather. Nothing you can do about rain anyway, but it's a terrible way to run your income. Get to where you can explain the swing, and suddenly you're not riding the wave, you're actually making it.